Yeah, so good morning everyone. Good morning. So this is the place where we stopped at last class. We stopped last class here, right? This is the last class where we stopped, right? I think functions, right? Now let's go to OOPs concept. I'm writing now. Let's go to OOPs concept, object oriented things. So let me write the date today. Today's date, I think 30. Yeah, I think 30. 3526. So concept is OOPs concept, object oriented concept. So this one maybe you maybe heard many times. So Python programming follows object oriented concepts also, right? Most it's a majorly object oriented. That is the reason everything is int also one class only, float also one class only. Mostly everything is class, right? Python language follows object oriented concepts. Python programming language is object oriented programming language, right? We are going to discuss, right? Now see one small line. We may use frequently in this particular topic. Frequently in this particular topic we will use something like class. We will use the class. Frequently we will use, right? One more keyword we will use, object. These are the two keywords we will use again and again, right? I will give nice examples also, please be careful. So in the object oriented concepts or object oriented programming language we will use frequently two things, class and objects. Remember, class is like blueprint, it is like design. Class is like blueprint, object is like real things. Real things. Class is like a blueprint, means design. Object is like real things. So I can say blueprint almost like it's like you can say algorithm. It is like program, almost like this. Algorithm, it is like program. So algorithm is like a blueprint. So this is how it should be done. So program, we will write the real things for that, right? So blueprint, real things, or it looks like an algorithm, right? Class is like an algorithm, we are giving the idea. Algorithm means what? Logic. Algorithm is a logic. So for that we will write the different programs, right? So same thing here, so for the algorithm you can write C program, you can write Java program, you can write C++ program, you can write Python program, something like that. Here also, right? For the given class you can create so many objects. Objects are real world things, real things. Class is a blueprint, right? You will get to know clear clarity in this class. You will get to know clear clarity in this class, right? I think we can start now. We can start, right? We can start. So what is the syntax here? What is syntax? So if you see the class syntax, this is like this. Class syntax, if you see, just write the class followed by class name. Class followed by class name. So you should write colon. You should write colon. Class followed by class name, you should write colon. And inside the class, you write whatever you remember. Inside means inside. You have to write inside. Otherwise, indentation error will come. So you have every class have its own variables. Every class have its own functions. We'll see with many examples. Right? Every class, right? Class followed by class name. Right? Every class having its variables also, functions also. This is the syntax for class. So it's a blueprint. You can say blueprint. So this class blueprint is this. It contains variables, it contains functions. It is a blueprint. What exactly it is, you definitely will see. What exactly it is, definitely you will see this. Object-oriented concepts. Right? So class is a blueprint like algorithm. Right? Object is a real world things. Algorithm means maybe it may be C program. You can create for the given algorithm C program you can create. Right? For the given algorithm you can write, you can create Java program maybe. For the given algorithm you can create Python program maybe. Right? You can do whatever you want. So for the blueprint, you can create so many real things. So many real things you can create. So it may not be clear what I'm talking. It may not be clear to you. Definitely it will be clear when I go to further problems. Right? So now I'm repeating once again. Object-oriented concepts are started. Right? The frequent keyword, what you will see in this topic is frequent keyword. Class will be there, object will be there. Class and object. Class is a blueprint. Object is a real thing. Like. Right? Class is something like algorithm. Object is, for that algorithm, you can create C program, Java program, Python program, whatever you want. Something like that. Something like that. So syntax, class followed by class keyword should be there, followed by class name. You can keep this whatever name you want. So variables are there, functions are there, right? This class having variables also, functions also. Okay, fine. I think you got little idea you got. Now let me give one example. Let me give one example. You will get the clear clarity. I am giving one example. Series. Example. So class followed by student. You give whatever name you want first here. Column. Right? Inside you are writing some function. See the function. Function means definitely definition. Right? Display. So remember everyone. For every function, minimum one parameter required. You can keep that parameter name whatever you want. People normally keep self. Every function, the object-oriented programming language, right? So every function of any class, minimum one parameter needed. That parameter name is self. If you want, you can do some other name also. No objection at all. Right? Every function in the right object-oriented programming, right? One parameter minimum needed. And one more, this function display is inside the class. So you have to write inside. Because if it's a function, colon also required. Right? Inside function, again inside. So let me write print welcome EPT oops. Just something I have to write. I written some funny thing purpose. I written this welcome EPT oops. So this is right, fine, perfect. So function is completed. This is the total class. If you want, right, nothing is mandatory. Variables are mandatory, functions are mandatory. It's not like that. You can keep as many functions as possible. You can keep as many variables you want. Now, as of now, no variable. Right? Only functions I kept, but at least something should be there. So inside class, only one function there. Now see this outside class means it's the main program. See the main program. S1 is equal to remember student type class we have already, right? So for that student type class, I am creating one object. So remember, right? Remember, class is a blueprint. So I created one object using that class, using that blueprint. Whatever that blueprint is having, this object also will get. So this person is called, S1 is called object. Object is created using the blueprint student, right? So I am writing here, comment I am writing, object S1 created using blueprint. Blueprint means class, using blueprint student. Using blueprint student, right? Be careful. So one object is created using blueprint student. Right now some people are asking, object is created, now see what happened. How do we access it? S1, one object is created, okay, right, using that blueprint. S1 dot, can I use that blueprint? Yes, because you created S1 of that blueprint only. Sir, can I use that blueprint? Yes. The things whatever is there in that blueprint, can I use for this person? Yes. So S1 dot display. Remember your, this is function definition. Remember everyone, this is function definition. Function definition will not execute until unless you call, you are calling. S1 dot display. When you say S1 dot display, some people are asking, S1 dot display, how can you create? Right, S1 dot display, how can you call, sir? How can you call? S1 and display, how relation is there? S1 is of type student type. Student type is a blueprint, right? S1 of type class student. So definitely S1 can use whatever student class is having, all those functions it can use. So S1 dot display, when you say, it will go inside, right? Whatever there, it will run. Definition display, right? Self, that's okay. One parameter compulsory. See, you are not passing anything. By default, one will be there. Suppose if you send here one parameter, here two parameters will be there. So right here one you are sending means two will be there. Suppose here you are sending 0 parameter, here one parameter will be there. Suppose if you are sending one parameter, here two parameters will be there. Suppose you are sending here 3 parameter, sorry, 2 parameter, here 3 will be there. Here 3 will be there. So every function definition should contain, every function definition, this is called definition. Every function definition should contain minimum one parameter, minimum one formal parameter. Actual parameters are 0, formal parameters are 1. In the object oriented things we are talking. We are talking in the object oriented things. So please be careful. Now what is the answer? So you called S1 dot display, you will go there. How can you call S1 dot display? I created S1 using that particular blueprint only, that particular class only. S1 is an object of student type. Student type is already having the display function. I can use it. So I called it, I went inside, print, right, welcome EPT OOPs. Welcome EPT OOPs. So this is the output of this. Little doubt also there, those people who are watching, little doubt also there. Comment in the comment section. Sir, I have this doubt. You comment in the comment section. I'm going to help you. Right? Fine. I'm thinking everyone is perfectly fine. Little doubt also there, let me know. Sir, I have this doubt, sir. You ask me, I will help. Ready, sir? I have this doubt, sir. You ask me, I will help. Yeah, let's move to next. Everyone, let's move to next. I'm moving now. Let's move to next. I'm moving now. One problem is over. Let's go to another problem. You got clarity. Remember, first create one class. First create a class. For that class, you can create many objects. Right? One instance of class is nothing but one object. If you have a class, right, that class, using that class, many objects you can create. How to create? This is the way. How to create? See, object S1 created using blueprint student. So student type class, one object created S1. whatever student type class having S1 can use it. That is the meaning of blueprint. And right, S1 using blueprint of student. S1 using blueprint of student. I hope you got it. Now let's go to next problem. One example you done. Let's go to one more example. So I think syntax also clear. Creating a object. This is the syntax. Creating a object. This is the syntax. And one more. Creating a class. Creating a class. This is the syntax. Sir, inside class, what can be there? Class name will be there. Class followed by class name. Inside functions. If variables are there, variables also. So nothing mandatory. Functions are mandatory? No. Variables are mandatory? Variables are mandatory? No. Right? You can keep anything. Whatever you want, you can keep. But something should be there. Something should be there. Right? Fine. Perfect now. Perfect now. Let's go to inside. Let's go to inside. So please be careful. Let's go to inside. I'm going to the one more problem. Right? See this one. Class check. Something I written. One class created check. So inside that one function I am right defining show. Okay, that is also okay. Function definition. So inside again print print show function, right? Print I am check class function. I am check class function. Okay, that's perfect. Let's go to main program. In the main program, object 1 is created using check class. That's perfect. Right? So you created this. Okay, next one. Object 1 type show function you are calling. Right? Show function you are calling. Next one. Print program over. So this is the second problem. Assume this is the second problem. Assume that this is the second problem. Right? Let's see this one. What is the output? Can anyone guess? Can anyone guess what can be the output? Can you guess what can be the output of this program? Can anyone guess? Everyone check what is the output of this program. One class created which internally contain one function show. Right? So next one object created OB1. Right? From using right for the OB1 object, you are calling the show function. Yes, it can use it. There is no problem. After everything is over, program is over. Can you help me? What can be the output of this program? Can you help me? What can be the output of this program? Everyone try. What can be the output of this program? Everyone try. What will be the output of this program? What can be the output of this program? Can anyone try? Yeah. Now I am giving answer. You also can see. What is the output of this program? I am trying. I am typing also. See the program. I already typed. This is check class, this is check class function. Okay, fine, everything is fine. See this one, everyone see this one, inside the check, right? If you want, you can keep small or capital C, but remember, case sensitive, you got capital C here, you should also keep capital C here, otherwise problem will come. You keep small, you can keep small everywhere. Here also you can keep small, right? Here you are creating object. See, one object created. If you want, you can write object 1. I'm writing object 1, OB1. So you have to use OB1 only. You have to use here OB1 only. Yeah, fine. I think show function is called. Everything is perfect, right? Everything is perfect. Let me check. That's perfect. Indentation I'm checking. Is everything okay? Here also indentation is fine. Here also fine. Everything is working fine. Now let me run it. Please careful everyone. Let me run everyone. Everyone see this. When you run this one, you will get the error message. As I expected, you will get the error message. You may say that, sir, why, sir? Why error message? Can you help me one small line? Can you help me? Why? What is the reason? You will get the error message. Can you guess what may be the reason? The reason is in the definition, in the object-oriented concept, in the definition, every function should have at least one parameter, at least one formal parameter required. Actual parameters are 0. This is the function, right? Actual parameters are 0. Actual parameters are 0, formal parameters are 1. At least one parameter required in the formal parameter. That is the reason. See, check.show takes 0 positional arguments, but 1 was given. See, 1 is already there. You may say that, sir, one object, sir, one parameter from where it will come? It is a self. The object what you are passing, that itself is one argument. That itself is one formal parameter. So because of, right, you are not passing, okay, by default, right, that object itself will go. So here one parameter required, give whatever name you want. People normally will give self. I am also writing self. If you write some other name also, it will work. Now if you want, you can check, it will work. See, this is check class function. Of course, you called this function, it is working. This is check class function. This is check class function. Afterwards, worked fine. Otherwise, it don't work fine. Let me know if anyone having any issues. Right? I executed also. Please verify. So this function, right? This function, whatever is visible on the screen, please be careful, right? This function, remember everyone, I am talking here, remember here. So you are calling, so 0 parameters are going, it should be one parameter. Here one parameter should be there. Whatever name you want, you can keep. Whatever name you want, you can keep. If you want, you can keep self also, anything. Then you will see the answer, right? I am check class function followed by lastly program over. It will be printed. Program over. Otherwise, error message. Here 0 parameters are going. Right? Here one parameter should be there. Otherwise, error. 0 actual parameters are 0. Formal parameters are 1. Remember, in the class, in the object-oriented thing only this. For a particular function, actual parameters 0, formal parameters are 1. Because by default, self will come. Because of self. Right? Actual parameters are 5, formal parameters are 6. So this one is self. Any name you can give, but actual meaning is self only. Right? Be careful. So this program will give error message if you don't write here one parameter. I want to say from this problem that, right, one parameter you have to write here. Any name you can write. So I feel everyone is comfortable here. I feel everyone is comfortable. Little doubt also there, let me know. Little doubt also there, please let me know. Right? Perfect. One more program we done. Until now, how many have we done? So I think this is the first problem. This is the second problem. I feel you are comfortable. If you are not comfortable, any doubt there, ask. Without asking, I cannot help you in any manner. You can ask me. So in the EP, right, so 2026 gate rankers, if you observe, in EPT we got many ranks. In EPT we got many ranks in the 2026 gate exam. 5th rank we got, 7th rank we got, 12th rank. These are all. So most of the people are first attempt itself they got. Most of the people got in the first attempt itself. First attempt itself, most of the people got. So please be careful. Most of the people first attempt itself. I'm not saying all, most of the people. Many people are taken 6 to 12 months only. 6 to 12 months itself, they cracked the GATE exam. So, if you are preparing for GATE exam, you can also do it. When most of the people can do, why not you? Right? 6 to 12 months only, most of the people cracked the GATE exam. 6 to 12 months only, most of the people cracked the GATE examination. I'm sure you are also going to do that. First attempt itself. First attempt itself. Right, so felicitation ceremony, rankers ceremony happened recently, right? For one of the institute we given, for one of the college we, sorry, I can say university, for one of the university we given the training. Many people got the ranks, they invited, and they right, they done the felicitation ceremony. Now one good initiative we started, please utilize this one. One very good initiative we started, because I always feel education is a service. I always feel education is a service. Education is service. I always feel this. Education is a service, right? That I always feel. And one more, every talented kid deserve quality education. Every talented kid deserve quality education, because of any other reason, right? They don't get the quality education means it is a sin. I always believe like this from starting onwards. Every talented kid deserves quality education. That is the reason, right? So if you are a college topper, means if you are there in the top 5 in your college, if you are there in the top 5 in your college, if you are there in the top, if you are studying second year or third year or fourth year, right? Second year or third year or fourth year, if you are preparing for gate or placement, if you are there in the top 5, right? Second year or third year, fourth year of BTech, if you are there, you are there in the top 5. So almost you will get the free subscription. The only thing is platform fees you have to pay 2,000 rupees. Right, 2,000 rupees platform fee, because it's total 1 year. 1 year you are going to use the platform fee you have to pay. Just 2,000 rupees. Right, 1,000 seats are there. 1,000 seats are available. 1,000 seats are available. This is the EPT Rise 1,000 initiative. I want to help all the students. So remember, education is a service. I strongly believe every talented kid deserves quality education. So that is the reason we started this initiative. If you are there in the top 5, right, you can send to mail, right? So mail is at info@exampreptool.com. To this mail ID you can send from your college side, right? HOD, through HOD. Ask the HOD, sir, can you send this mail? You send the mail to your HOD, sir, they will forward it. From your college mail ID, it should come. info@exampreptool.com. To this mail ID, you have to say, so and so person from this college is there in the top 5 of this particular branch, right? This particular branch and this particular semester, this particular year. So if you send the detail, we will give the subscription. Right? So this is the EPT 1,000 initiative. EPT Rise 1,000 initiative. Last year, 200 people were given. Now we are giving 1,000 people. 1,000 people, because last year 200 people we given. Many people got the rank. Many people utilized it so nicely. We thought, let's increase. Right? 1,000 people we are giving this particular offer. So please utilize. See, it's free. It's a free only, actually free only. Platform fees you have to pay. Right? Fine, perfect. Perfect. So batch number 11 started. Let me write it. Batch number 11 started. If you are seriously preparing for GATE 2027, please utilize 80% discount going on. 28th it started. Just two classes are over. Please utilize. Please utilize. Just two classes are over. Recording also available. You can see live class going on. You can utilize 80% discount going on. Use the referral code EPT 610 EPT. You can utilize it. If you got selected for any interview, so please inform to us. We are going to conduct mock interview. And these are the EPT faculty which contain experienced people, rankers, all the combination. That is the reason EPT students are cracking GATE examination in 6 to 12 months. EPT students are cracking GATE examination in the first attempt itself. They are cracking the GATE examination. Most of the people, first attempt itself, 6 to 12 months they are cracking, because it is a combination of, right, experience also, rankers also. Most of the people are IIT people. Most of the people are already cracked a GATE examination. That is the reason they are able to guide you nicely. So I have 18 years of experience. I guided so many people. Umas are having 20 years experience. Deras are having 15 years. Abhinav 3 years experience and he is all India rank 1. So Sachin is a 10 years experience. Right. Silpa madam 5 years. Nidhi madam 5 years. Deadlock sir is 1 year. Shubham sir is 1 year. Nidhi madam is 3 years of experience. Shubham sir got all India rank 29. Deadlock sir got all India rank 150. Nidhi madam, right? IIT Kharagpur, right? Alumni and now working in the big MNC, right? Fine. So C programming is free. It is there in the YouTube. You can see Python programming is free, which is going on, right? You can check this. You can join whatever course you like, whatever course you want. You can join. So if you join the combo course, you will get the all advantages, right? But however, you can take whatever you like. And one more, every weekend there is a mentorship session you can utilize. Every weekend we used to give target also, right? Every month we used to give target. That is the reason our students completing the syllabus within less time. Within less time they are completing syllabus, they are doing good practice, they are getting the nice ranks, right? 6,000 verified questions are there. You can go and check and you can practice. AR1 notes there, free doubt solving also there, right? If anyone is not there in the doubt solving group, I request you, you can join. Utilize all the free things which are available. 3,000 GATE PYQs, 6,000 verified questions, right? So this is the WhatsApp number you can ping. We are going to add you. Yeah, so all the classes are in English only, live plus recording. Live also there, recording also there. Daily quizzes also there, doubt solving is there, PYQs also there, mentorship also there, and structured preparation also we are going to provide. So these are the EPT is not only for GATE placements. Most of my students cracked both GATE also, placements also. Some people cracked GATE, some people cracked placement, some people cracked both. Right? If GATE not working, placement not working, GATE. Both working well and good. Mostly both will work because common syllabus. Mostly both will work because common syllabus. So you can, if you are preparing for placement, you can go for any course. Any course you can go. Right. Now start the next problem. Right. Next problem, let's start. Little doubt also there, you can comment in the comment section. We are going to help you. Right. Let's go to next problem. I think next problem is interesting. Can you see this? Next problem. Can you see this? Everyone, please take care. I am writing the next problem. Class. You can write whatever name you want. Student. So inside DEF set data. You can write whatever name you want. Some function name followed by 3 parameter. S is the self. You can give whatever name you want. One more parameter name. One more parameter marks. So remember, in the definition, three formal parameter means 2 actual parameter. Now inside the definition, inside the function, if you see, right, self dot name is equal to name, or self dot name is equal to, if you think that you will confuse, self dot n. self dot n is equal to name. Next one, self dot m is equal to marks. So remember these are the formal parameter. These are inside, they are the local variables. You can take local variables as many as possible, whatever you want you can take, but this is by default. Remember, object itself is the object which you created, that object is came here. The object which you created, that object is came here, right? So class student, right? Definition, set date, s comma name comma marks. Okay, I think everything is perfect here. Everything is perfect here. Now I think I'm keeping one more function, display function also. Let me write definition display, display. Yeah, so minimum one parameter required, whatever name you want you can give. So inside if you see, right, print. Inside if you see print, right? Let me write now, s dot just listen, just wait for, just remember one time. I will try this. I will try this. S dot n, right? S dot n and s dot m, right? So fine, that is okay. From let's go to main program. If you have little doubt also, we'll see now. We'll see. So see the main program. I'm creating some objects. S1 created using student. Okay. Next one, S2 also created using student. It means two objects are created, S1, S2. Now see this one, S1 dot set data. I passed the parameter, two parameter. Ravi I passed one thing, 90 I passed. Okay, fine. S2 also, S2 dot set data. For S2 object also I called this one, right? That is Kiran, some name, 80 I passed. Okay, that's fine. Now afterwards I'm displaying also. See this one, I'm displaying also. S1 dot display. Next one, S2 dot display also I called. Two functions I called. Right, now you will see one by one. What is the effect? You will see one by one. This is the program. Right? So for this one object created, try to understand first. Little doubt also there, I will run. So S1, one object is created. S1 object. So same blueprint you can use. Two functions are there. You can use same blueprint. S1 also can use it. S2 also can use it. Right? When you are passing first time, see, S1 is equal to student. So this blueprint means these two S1 can use. S2 also can use both. Okay, that is okay. Now S1 dot data, set data is equal to these two. These two going along with this S1 also going. Along with this S1 also going. Try to understand. Whenever you call this function, these two people going, this also going. S1 also going. Right? S1 also going. So three people are going actually. So to this function, right, set data, three people are going. Right? To this function, three people are going. Three people. S1 also going. Right? And one more, Ravi also going, 90 also. It is Ravi. Right? This is Ravi. This is 90. So S1 itself came. This is S1. This is S1. S1 itself came. Now internally, S1 dot name, one local variable. S1 dot name is equal to whatever name came. So it's a run. Next one, S1 dot m is equal to marks. It is 90. So now you called the same thing for S2 also. Same way you done for the S2 also. S2 when you call, this is going to be Kiran. this is going to be 80. So here Kiran will be there, but remember every object having its own story. Kiran will be here. Kiran will be here. 80 will be here. So two objects are created. S1 story is there. S2 story also there. Two objects are created. In the S1, what is the answer? In the S1, S1 dot name is equal to Ravi will be there. S1 dot marks is equal to 90. Similar way, S2 dot name is equal to Kiran. S2 dot marks is equal to 80. So like that, two objects are created with their corresponding using set data function. Using set data function, you set the story. Now display S1 dot display, whatever is there, it will print it. Right? It will print S1 dot data, S1 dot display, it will print it. S2 dot display, it will print it. So first it will print Ravi 90. Next it will print Kiran 80. It will print like this. Right? Let me know anyone having any issue. So two objects are created. And first object data I set, second object data also I set. Next one, first object data I displayed, second object data also I displayed. I hope you got it. Sir, I have some doubt. Let me know if you have any doubt. Sir, I have some doubt. Let me know if you have any doubt. Little doubt also there, let me know. Now I will run the program also. Some people say, sir, I have some doubt. Let's check. I will run also. Can you see this? This is the program. So I'm running also. Please see carefully, everyone. Please see carefully, everyone. So output also came. See the output. Ravi 90, Kiran 80. Right? So, and one more thing I want to say to all the people. One important thing. Can you see this? Can you see this? This is perfect. Now see, two objects are created. Two objects data also I set. Two objects, so right, I run the display function also. First parameter name you can write self also, yes also, whatever you want you can write. Right, this is the local, these are the local people. You can keep whatever name you want. You can keep. Right, whatever name you want. Some people are asking, sir, can I write in the, because of this name both are overlapping, can I write some other name? These are local variables. You can use whatever name you want. Right, these are local variables. You can use whatever name you want, but here also you have to use same. Otherwise problem will come. See, error came. Right, so because same blueprint you are using, whatever you set the data, those only you can print here. So here you can use name, here you can use marks. Perfect. Now it will be perfect. Check one small doubt also there. Check one small doubt also there. Please check. First parameter name, give whatever you want. So of course, formal parameter names, all these all are formal parameter. Whatever name you want, you can give. These all. But inside you have to use those names only. If I kept self here, so I'm using self inside. I kept name here, I'm using the name inside. I kept marks here, I'm using marks inside. Right? Be careful. I hope everyone got clarity. Let me know anyone having any objection. This is problem number 3, I think. Little doubt also there. See, whatever name you want. These are local variable. Whatever name you want, you can keep. These are formal parameter. 2 copies are created. Using the same blueprint, 2 copies are created. Set function will set the values. Display function will display. When I say display function will display it. When I say display function will display it. This is the display function, will display it. Because of this display, it will work out. Because of this display, it will work out. Right? Because of, see this one, this set function, it will set. Because of this set function, let me use another color. Because of this set function, it will set. Right? Because of this set function, it will set. Right? I hope everyone got it. Display will display. Display will display. All are using same. All are using same blueprint. All are using same blueprint. Let me know little objection also. Let me know little objection also. I'm running the program also. Little doubt there, let me know. You will get more clarity in further. Starting itself, you don't get. Starting itself, you don't get. Today, we done the 4 programs. Today, we done the 4 programs. Today, we done the 4 programs. I feel you are comfortable. Let's see the next problem. In tomorrow's class, mostly total OOPs concept will be clear. First, be comfortable this. In tomorrow's class, I will complete the total OOPs concept. Total OOPs concept I will complete in tomorrow's class. Right? Fine. Yeah. See you tomorrow's class. See you tomorrow's class. In tomorrow's class, we will complete the, I think now I completed 4 problems. Tomorrow I will complete definitely 6 to 10 problems. Tomorrow's class, I will complete 6 to 10 problems. I will complete. Right? Perfect. Perfect. Thank you. And little doubt also there, comment in the comment section. Thanks everyone.